दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल कामठी रोड नागपुर में विद्यालय के वार्षिक उत्सव का द्वितीय एवं अंतिम चरण हर्षोल्लास के साथ संपन्न हुआ। तो आइए देखते हैं विराट न्यूज लाइव की यह खास रिपोर्ट।
Good evening, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Vijay Vikram Singh, Ms. Tulika Kedia, President and Pro-Vice Chairperson, Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road and Mihan, Ms. Savita Jaiswal, Director, Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road and Mihan, Ms. Anjali Singh, our special guest and our alumna, Shri Indrajit Parghania, Bursar, DPS Kamptee Road and Mihan, Ms. Nidhi Yadav, Principal DPS Mihan, invited guests, EPTA members, representatives of the media, parents, teachers, and dear students. A warm welcome to our annual day celebration themed The Guru Shishya Bond, a transcendental journey of learning. Our story that began in 2006 with a modest aspiration has grown into the #1+ co-ed day school of the city. Guided by our motto, service before self, we have nurtured an environment where discipline is cherished, learning is meaningful, and excellence becomes a natural pursuit. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure, well-designed sports facilities, and vibrant extracurricular programs support the holistic development of every learner. Our students have consistently demonstrated outstanding performance in academics, sports, and various competitions. Their participation and achievements at taluka, district, state, national, and international platforms stand as a testimony to their hard work and the commitment of their mentors. Tulika ma'am has been the guiding force behind this progress. Her vision places the child at the center of every decision, and her belief in balanced education enables each student to explore their potential with confidence. Thank you, ma'am, for your steadfast leadership.
Good evening and a warm welcome to our chief guest, Tulika ma'am, parents, PTA members, media, and dear students. As I stand here tonight, my heart is filled with pride. DPS Kamptee Road and Mihan have always been more than a school. It is a place where dreams begin, where young minds are shaped, and where every child is encouraged to discover their own unique strengths. Tonight is not just a celebration of performances, it is a celebration of hard work, growth, and the spirit of the DPS family. It gives me immense pleasure to convey the message from our President and Pro-Vice Chairperson, Ms. Tulika Kedia, who though not having been able to come to be here with us, has graciously shared her thoughts for this special event. Her message goes as follows. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Vijay Vikram Singh, a celebrated voice artist, Ms. Savita Jaiswal, Director, DPS Kamptee Road and Mihan, Nagpur. Special guest, Ms. Anjali Singh, our beloved alumna. Shri Indrajit Parganya, Bursa. Ms. Nidhi Yadav, Principal, DPS Mihan. Respected EPTA members, parents, media, dear students and staff. A very warm and graceful evening to all. Today's Annual Day celebration stands upon a theme that is timeless, sacred, and deeply rooted in our cultural consciousness. That is the Guru Shishya, a spiritual and supernatural journey of learning. Learning more than an external transfer is an inner awakening. The teacher needs to teach with love, faith, and compassion. As Khalil Gibran in his iconic book, The Prophet, said, the teacher who walks...
It takes a lot of guts to just stand there and speak with so much confidence and panache that they've been doing for the past 30 minutes. So they deserve all your applause. Before I begin, let me start with asking you a question. A very simple question. It's not a trick question, so don't worry. I just need to know from you, what according to you is opposite of success? Failure or something else? So is it failure? Yes? No. I'm glad we have such evolved audience. But generally, what do we hear from people, or what have we heard from our dictionaries as to antonym of success? It is failure? Yes, great. This was what I wanted as an answer. My name is Vijay Vikram Singh, and you will be pardoned for not recognizing my name. I'll pardon you also for not probably recognizing my face. But you would have definitely heard my voice. So a voice which for 3.5 months and these days for beyond that as well tells you दोपहर 12 बजे. I kept asking questions, nobody responded. The moment I told the time, everybody is sending an applause. So what's the opposite of success? Now you're speaking. So yes, I've been associated with that show for 16 years now. This is my 16th year. Finale चल रहा है अभी भी और मैं आपको भाषण दे रहा हूँ. But I'm really thankful to Yogita ma'am for inviting me for this annual day function. Thank you very much, ma'am. Respected Savita ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, and heartiest congratulations to Anjali. Guru Shishya Bond. This is what the theme of this annual day is. Guru Gobind do khade kako lage paaye, balihari Guru aapne गोविंद दियो मिला है. तो हमारे शास्त्रों में, हमारे धर्म में भी गुरु की बहुत बड़ी महत्ता है. क्यों? रीजन इज, इसको एक छोटी सी हमारे रामायण में जो एक प्रसंग है जहां पर बजरंगबली से कहा जाता है कि आप जाइए किष्किंधा पर्वत से और संजीवनी बूटी ले आइए, और वो कहते हैं कि नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि मेरे अंदर इतनी शक्ति नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको एक श्राप मिला हुआ था. और जामवंत जी उनको उनकी शक्तियों का एहसास दिलाते हैं और फिर वो समुद्र लांघ कर पहुंचते हैं और जड़ी बूटी भी लाते हैं और फिर माता सीता से भी मिलकर आते हैं. कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि गुरु हम सबके जीवन के जामवंत हैं. तो गुरुओं का सम्मान करना और गुरुओं की जीवन में महत्ता समझना बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रियलाइज that as individuals we most of the times are unaware of our own potential. As humans we are designed to doubt our capabilities. ये एक्सटर्नल फोर्स होती है और वो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स हमें मिलती है गुरु के रूप में, जो हमें न केवल हमारी शक्तियों का एहसास दिलाते हैं बल्कि हमारी क्षमताओं से भी हमें रूबरू कराते हैं. See, we are not objective in our own assessment. So it is very important to have someone in our lives who can be the guiding light, and a guru is that guiding light. What else can be the guiding light to make you aware of your own potentials? And this is very important for all the parents and the students. The reason why I asked you what is the opposite of success, and see, in terms of language, when we speak from a language standpoint, yes, it is failure. But in life,